Today we're going to be making a volcanic eruption. Now all you need is white vinegar and some baking soda. So you need a half a cup of vinegar and a few tablespoons of baking soda. And then you're just going to, so you need to add your baking soda first. And if you want to make it look more realistic, you can add yellow and red food coloring to make it red. So that's what
it just takes a couple of drops each, okay? Comes out really fast.
Then you want to stir it up.
It'll mix up in a minute.
It might take a few minutes.
Oh, that's fine. It'll mix up whenever you pour the vinegar in there.
No.
Okay, why do you have it in this big pan?
So when I add the vinegar, it won't explode on the table and on Mom's computer. Very carefully, you want to add the vinegar. That's how you make a volcanic eruption when you don't have Coke and Mentos. See you next time. Goodbye.